So guys, this is my inverter. We're running of 520 plus watts because I'm using my rice cooker. I put it in my use cooker and TV. It's running with only battery. Look, the grid is not connected because I set it battery priority. If the battery is low voltage, the grid automatically supply the power and charging the battery. This is my monitor. Battery is 75%. If it's 50%, it's automatically charging.